How to change your birthday on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing your birthday on Snapchat. So follow the steps. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen and then click on the gear icon to access settings. In the settings menu, locate My Account section and then find the birthday. Here you can view your current birthday information. First, tap on the birthday option, and here you can adjust the date, month, and also day to correct your birthday. After making your changes, tap on Continue, that is highlighted in green color, and then click on OK to confirm. Please note that Snapchat restricts frequent changes to your birthday for security reasons, so double check that the date you entered is correct before saving it. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can change your birthday on Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.